In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore data on Microsoft Excel. Losing a workbook or accidentally closing a file without saving can be frustrating, but Excel includes several built-in tools that allow you to cover your work quickly and continue where you left off. If you closed a workbook without saving, open Microsoft Excel and click the File tab at the top left of the screen. From the menu, click Open and then select Recent. Scroll to the bottom of the Recent list and click Recover Unsaved Workbooks. A new window will appear showing temporary Excel files that were not saved before the workbook was closed. Look through the list, click the file you want to restore, and then click Open. Once the workbook appears, click Save As and choose a location on your computer so the file is stored permanently. If Excel closes unexpectedly because of a crash or power interruption, Excel usually attempts to restore your work automatically the next time you open the program. When Excel starts again, look at the left side of the screen for the Document Recovery pane. This section displays recovered files along with the time they were last saved. Click the file you want to restore to open it. After confirming that the data is correct, click Save As and store the workbook in a safe location. To make sure Excel continues to protect your work in the future, you should also check the Auto Recover settings. Click the File tab, then click Options to open the Excel Options window. From the list on the left side, click Save. Make sure the option labeled Save Auto Recover Information every few minutes is enabled. This setting allows Excel to automatically create recovery copies of your workbook at regular intervals, which can be restored if something unexpected happens. Another quick way to restore data is by using Recover Unsaved Workbooks again if a file disappears or was closed before it was saved. Click File, click Open, choose Recent, and then click Recover Unsaved Workbooks at the bottom of the screen. Select the file you need, click Open, and save it immediately to avoid losing it again. By using the Recover Unsaved Workbooks feature, the Document, Recovery pane, and Auto Recover settings, you can restore lost data and protect your spreadsheets from unexpected issues. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.